Hi everybody, welcome to Beauty for the Win. I know I look kind of funny right now. I'm wearing a little white bag, but this is just to protect my clothes from getting stained, or my skin. Today I am trying a hair color that is kind of like a mystery hair color. It says White Heat. It's by Bleach London. It says it's a super cool color that fades out in 1 to 3 washes, so it's semi-permanent. And at the back here it says that it's a white tone that will fade to a pale ashy blonde after 1 to 3 washes. So we'll see. Here on the back it kind of has like a blonde to pink color, like a light pink color, so, or maybe that's like an ashy color, I don't know. We're gonna have to see. Especially since my hair color is kind of like a pale yellow color. It's gonna be interesting what it does to it. So let's get started. This is what it looks like. It's purple, so it's probably like really toning. So I bought this product at Winners, and have a look at this. I had one glove saved for doing this and it broke, so I'm gonna have to wash my hands right after I'm done. Under here is a lot of dark hair, and if you read the instructions on the back, it says that it does not show up on dark hair, so I won't be doing this part. Now I've let down my hair. It's mostly just like the outside where my highlights are that I'll be doing. Trying to just kind of get the blonde areas, not so much the dark areas. The brush I like to use for, you know, the top part of my highlights all the way down to about half. And then when I get to the ends, I like to just kind of saturate them on my gloves and just go like this and really make sure everything is spread evenly. Okay, my hair is up, it's all done. I'm gonna leave it in for 30 minutes like it recommends. Here's what it looks like so far. I don't know if you can see a difference. It does look like it's starting to lighten up. From what I'm getting, from what I've read online, it's basically like a really ashy type of color, which is what I was looking for. So hopefully that's what happens. Here's what it looked like after it was dry. You can see that there's a little bit less yellow. It is a little bit more blonde, a little bit more toned. Not drastic though. So here is my hair after one wash, and it's a lot more ashy. It's a lot more icy colored. So thank you for watching this. Stay tuned for more beauty.